I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to disable Amazon Alexa delivery notifications. Step 1. Open the Amazon Alexa app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap More in the menu along the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Tap Settings on this screen. The associated screen opens. Step 3. Tap Notifications. Step 4. Navigate to the Categories section and then tap Amazon Shopping. Amazon Shopping notification options are shown. Step 5. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Say or Show Item Titles section and then tap to toggle off for items and delivery updates. If you want to go further, you can navigate to the Delivery Notifications section and tap to toggle off both Out for Delivery and Delivered. You'll no longer get these delivery notifications going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.